Dear children, now we are going to see civics first lesson, unit 1, equality. Okay, civics. Book back answers. First one, choose the correct answer. First question, which one of the following does not come under equality? Which one of the following does not come under equality? The options are, first one, A, non-discrimination on the basis of birth, caste, religion, race, color, gender. Okay, non-discrimination on basis of birth, caste, religion, race, color, gender. B, right to contest in the election. C, all are treated equal in the eyes of law. All are treated equal in the eyes of law. D, showing inequality between rich and poor. Showing inequality between rich and poor. Okay, the correct answer is option D, showing inequality between rich and poor. Okay, the correct one is D option. Second question, which one of the following comes under political equality? Which one of the following comes under political equality? Option A, right to petition the government and criticize public policy. Right to petition the government and criticize public policy. B, removal of inequality based on race, color, sex and caste. C, all are equal before the law. All are equal before the law. D, prevention of concentration of wealth in the hands of law. Prevention of concentration of wealth in hands of law. Okay, the correct answer is option A, first one, option A, right to petition the government and criticize the public policy. Okay, correct one is option A. Next, third question, in India, right to vote is given to all the citizens at the age of. In India, right to vote is given all the citizens at the age of dash. Option A, 21. Option B, 18. Option C, 25. Option D, 31. The correct answer is option B, 18. Okay, option B, 18. Fourth question, inequality created by man on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. is called as. Inequality created by man on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. is called as. Option A, natural inequality. Option B, man-made inequality. Option C, economic inequality. Option D, gender inequality. Okay, the correct answer is option B, man-made inequality. Option B, man-made inequality. Next question, question number 5. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in the year. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in the year. Option A, 1981. Option B, 1971. Option C, 1991. Option D, 1961. The correct answer is option B, 1971. Okay, option B, 1971. Next Roman letter, second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First question, civil equality implies equality of all before dash. Civil equality implies equality of all before dash. The answer is law. The answer is law. L-A-W. Law. Okay. Second question. The Indian Constitution deals about the rights to equality from article dash to dash. The Indian Constitution deals about the rights to equality from the article dash to dash. The answer is 14 to 18. 14 to 18. Third one. Right to contest in the election is a dash right. Right to contest in the election is a dash right. The answer is political. Political. Political right. Fourth one. Equality means absence of dash privileges. Equality means absence of dash privileges. The answer is social. S-O-C-I-A-L. Social. Thank you.